Good morning, children. I am here again with an interesting activity, my own jigsaw puzzle. We have done this in nursery also, but we will do it little differently now. So what you have to do is take two papers. Take two papers. One is little smaller and other one is bigger. Now I will keep the small paper on the big paper and make the outline of this paper like I have already made. So I will make black lines, or you can use crayons, colors to make a boundary. Okay, so now what I will do is, on the smaller paper I will do some drawing, some nice drawing. We have learned how to draw a garden scene. So you can draw a tree or a girl or boy, sun, clouds, grass, flowers, or you can draw a big object like this fish, or you can draw elephant, you can draw butterfly, whatever you like to draw, and then color your picture nicely. Okay, then what you have to do is now next that you have to make border on this sheet. How to make a border? You know, you can make a beautiful border. You can make zigzag border, or you can make curved border, or you can just make lines and do the coloring in that also. So after making a border, what next we are going to do is, we will carefully see the picture. What can you see on the top of this paper? Sun, clouds. What can you see at the bottom of this paper? There is a grass, there are flowers, there is a girl in between. Girl has a balloon in her hand. There is a big tree. So you will see this picture very carefully, because we are going to tear it now. Then with the help of your mama and papa, we will tear this picture into 6 pieces. How many pieces? 6 pieces. So I will fold it first, and then I will going to tear it. So I will tear it. You can take the help of your mummy papa while tearing it, or you can do it yourself, but do it carefully. Okay? This picture, I am tearing it into 6 pieces. These are the 6 pieces I have. So I have to fix this picture in the given frame. Don't put the glue first. First, try to fix them. When I take any paper, like I have taken this paper, can I put this in the corner? No, this don't have a plain corner. So this piece cannot come here. What I can do is try next piece. I remember there are clouds in the corner. There is a sun. So I will take this piece. Oh yes, this is going to be here only. Next, I have to join. Yes, this is also okay. Now there is another line on this corner. We have to fix this with the black line. This is what we have seen at the top. Yes, now at the bottom, first we have to pick the corner piece. This cannot be the corner because this is not a plain edge. So this can be a corner. This can be a corner. Yes. And I have to join the girl's head with the body. And now I cannot put like this. We have to put it like this. Can you see the complete picture? Yes. try it 2-3 times. You can take picture like this also, any picture you have drawn. So now I am going to paste it. So I remove this on the side and put a glue on the paper inside the frame. I have a Fevistick, so I will put a Fevistick. You can use gum or you can use Fevicol, whichever thing is available to you, you can use that. So now I have put Fevistick. Now one by one I am going to paste. Take care that lines are joined with the lines carefully. I am taking another piece. I will join it like this. Before fixing, take care that it comes inside the frame only. I am doing it very carefully. Now at the bottom the tree is complete. Now I will join the girl's body, and lastly I will join this, and my puzzle is ready. You can use a magazine pages. You can find a picture and then fix it on the frame, inside the frame. And I hope you like this activity. This is a very interesting activities. You can make it more complex by tearing the picture into 8 pieces or more. Enjoy, have fun, bye.